The death took place on Saturday, the 31st of May, on Mrs. Ruth Titi Conte of Kailaun and Angola Godrich, aged 84. She survived by children Elizabeth Fatota Conte, Rose Mary Conte, Ansu Conte, Ompa Conte, and Ami Conte, sons in law Jibrila Musa and Robert Thomas Kaloa, several grand and great grandchildren, close friends, and other relatives at home and abroad. The body will be laid out at Angola Godrich 444 on Friday, 28th June from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m., followed by a funeral service at the All Memorial UBC Church, Kisi, Blackhall Road at 1 p.m. Funeral service for Reverend Mrs. Agnes Mayan Fasfasa Lakoni Johnson Koma, former deputy matron of Connaught, both local government and both government hospitals. She served as in